What's up, everyone? JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. So first of all, I want to say thank you for those who are liking and subscribing to the channel. We're definitely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation programs. Now today, we're going to be doing a deep dive into a revolutionary, groundbreaking program called Galaxy.ai. Why is it groundbreaking? Because this is an all-in-one, all-inclusive program that has over 2,500 AI tools all within this one platform, and every day that number increases. So stand by because I'm going to be doing the good, the bad, and the ugly. Stay tuned. Let's dive right into this program. Welcome to Galaxy.ai. All right, so here we are in the tool, and the first thing that you'll notice is on the top left, you'll see claim your free credits. So yes, you can utilize this software for free. It does give you some credits and you can claim free credits every day. Now, I purchased this software almost immediately because I saw the benefits in using a tool like this. So I don't remember if this was here. But anyway, leave a comment below and let me know if you, in fact, do see this claim your free credits. But let's click this, and then it's click to reveal, and I won 493,000 credits today. Okay, so it sounds like a lot, but you can blow through these credits pretty quickly. Just a quick backstory. I blew through 15 million credits in about 25 minutes. And that's because I was using programs like the headshot generator and the AI photo generator that required me to use credits to train the AI. And that used up a lot of my credits. So that's some information about the credits. So let's go to, we have my favorite tools are here. And then if you scroll down, I'll show you how to do that. Let's just go back here and click all tools. What's neat is it has a search tool right here. So if you're looking for something specific, you would just type it right here, and we'll get to that in one sec, so stay tuned. All right, so these are my favorites. See, if you look at these yellow stars, I favorited a lot of these tools just so they remain on the top of my dashboard. All right, and then I'm scrolling down, and this is standard. Here is the popular tools. All right, so you have the AI generator, video generator, chat with AI, chat arena, AI search engine, YouTube summarizer, AI text editor, AI headshot generator, app builder, content detector, fact checker, custom GPTs, chat with. There are so many awesome tools in this software. So let's come down here. AI photo studio, which I love, AI music generator, AI voice cloner, AI logo generator, translator. And we're going to check a couple of these out. So stand by. AI transcription, AI text humanizer. So these are just the popular ones, but let me show you on the top again. 2,591 tools. That's how many tools this software has as of today. And that's going to probably increase by tomorrow. And if you look at my credits, I have 109 million credits. So let's go back to the AI search tools here. So if you are a blogger, you would type in blog, and all of the tools that have the word blog in it will populate. So blog intro generator, blog to video generator. Let's take a look at that real quick. Blog URL. Oh, cool. So it makes you a little short. It makes you a little short. It makes you a short. And then you can put sound in here. Let's see, can we hear this? Okay, very cool. So it creates a short video for you that you can post on your social media channels, on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all the ones you like. Okay, let's back up. And let's say you want to generate a voice. If you use 11 Labs, you can replace 11 Labs with this voice cloner program. I subscribe to 11 Labs. But this has a lot of the same voices, which is really sweet. to enter your text, and you have 10,000 characters that you can enter there. Select the cloned voice. Now, I didn't clone my voice yet, but I could clone my voice here. So if I wanted myself to narrate my stories, I would clone my voice. Let's back up and let's check out some of these popular tools that I actually favorited. Okay, so in the dashboard, you can see YouTube Summarizer. This is pretty sweet. This summarizes your YouTube videos. I know it's self-explanatory. It's silly for me to even say something like that, but summarize videos of any length, from short clips to long lectures. Get AI-powered summaries that capture the essence of the content. So if you don't want to watch an hour and a half YouTube video, you just copy and paste the link into this field and it'll do it for you. It'll summarize it for you. All right, let's back up. Okay, AI Photo Studio, which I trained a model here, and I think it cost me 2 to 4 million credits to train my model. And I trained 2 of them, a JP and then another one called Headshot. But these are obviously not my headshots, but mine are down here. Let me show you. Right here, here are my generated images. So I have a headlight restoration and polishing business, so I use this one for my polishing business. Let's come out of here. Okay, let's pop down here. This is the headshot generator. Oh no, this is, let's see here, generated images there. Okay. All right, so no, these aren't my headshots. This is just the photo studio. I'll show you the headshot generator. That is pretty sick. So it did a decent job. So just in order to train this AI, I had to drag in 5 of my images. Oh, this looks nothing like me. It looks like maybe a distant cousin. But it did a pretty good job. Well, nice. Yeah, I look good in this one. Trust me, I'm not that handsome. All right, that's a little freaky. That one. Okay. So let me come out of here and we will back up. All right, now I'm in my headshot generator and this did a fantastic job. It generated 40 or 50 headshots for me. But again, to train these models, it costs a few million credits. But once you train the models, then you're done. You're not spending 2 to 4 million credits. You're spending about 20,000 credits per generation. Let's back up. AI image generator. What's really sweet about the image generator is that it has a bunch of models. It has GPT, Ideogram, Leonardo Phoenix. It has Flux, Google Imagen, Midjourney, Ideogram, Grok 2 image. So it just added a few of these on here. Cool. Yeah, nice. Luma, Stable Diffusion. So you just choose your model and then you can experiment in this photo generator. All right. And as you can see, the images are pretty darn good. They are pretty good. That's cool. A fry house. Yum. Okay. Let's get out of here. So guys, this is free to try. So I would encourage you to at least try the software. AI YouTube thumbnail generator. I think this is so cool. This does a really good job. Let me show you some of my generations. View design history. So it did a pretty good job. Now this is not me. So if you want to enter yourself in here in your thumbnail, I don't know if you can do that. And now I use ChatGPT. I do pay for ChatGPT Premium. And with ChatGPT, you can drag in your own profile picture and then have ChatGPT or DALL-E generate for you a picture on it with your image. All right, we talked about Voice Cloner, the AI music generator. This is similar to SoundRaw or Suno.ai. And the quality is just as good. Now, I'm not familiar with what these are. Model U, Model Lyria, Model Z, Model... You can just experiment with these on your own time, but I did create a couple of generations, and I was fairly impressed.
Deep and
Yeah, so it generates the music and the lyrics and has all the melody and the choruses and the verses and choruses and all that. So yeah, it's really sweet stuff, guys. Just making it impossible for me to make a video. All right, so let's go back. And the video generator, this is a biggie. This is a big one. Why? Because it has some of the most popular video generators in AI. It has Kling AI, it has LumaRay, it has Veo 2. And did you know Veo 3 was released within the last couple of weeks? And Veo 3, it's expensive, but it can create for you full videos with music, talking, and the video animation all in one prompt. And yes, it's expensive. Not Veo 2, but Veo 3 can do that. Anyway, this also has LumaDream, Minimax, Pika Turbo, Pixverse, and One Pro. So, and I'll show you some of my generations in a sec. Okay, here we go. You have a panda playing an acoustic guitar. And it sounds like it added the audio to this. And I used Kling. I don't know why in the world it has audio. It looks like the panda is trying to play the guitar. But yeah, I use Kling for that. But yeah, the quality is pretty good. All right, here's another video. Yeah, no sound on these. But Veo 3 can add sound effects and the talking and dialogue, which is pretty awesome. All right, let's come on out. So that's video generation. This is pretty awesome. Also, this is so much fun. This is AI effects generator, which has Crush, Cakeify, Crumble. Let me show you. This is cool. You got to stay with me for a sec. Decapitate, deflate, dissolve, explode, eye pop, inflate. So I created, I know it looks pretty disturbing, but check this out. Yep. So I cakeified this dog. You can do video face swap. So if you check this out, that's the original video, and then you would put your image, and it changes from Tony Stark to whoever this dude is. So you can have a lot of fun with that. AI talking photo generator, another super fun tool.
Turn any photo into a talking video with Galaxy.ai.
Yeah, it's cool. All right. Come on down here. Talking photo we did. AI avatar generator. This is neat. So you drag your photo in here and then put a description in. You can choose from a preset prompt, and then it creates an avatar for yourself. All right, so those are all of the programs that I favorited, all the popular and trending tools. And then you have all these. You have an AI close changer, voice changer, video translator. There are, guys, like I said, there are thousands on here. So you want to come on and explore this software yourself. So hop on here for free. Video to video generator, AI search engine. Here's a TikTok video generator. These are trending, you guys, right now. So again, you might want to favorite these. Check this out. So this makes shorts like that program Copycopter and Syllabi. And by the way, Syllabi is one of my favorite short creators, and also does long forms, but it's generative. It's actually moving photos. They are introducing generative. The difference between generative and moving photos is generative is like animation, characters moving. The moving photos is exactly that. It's just like a photo where it's panning in or moving left or moving right. So generative software is becoming more popular. However, it is becoming a little bit more pricey. InVideo AI is now doing generative videos. And again, you have to upgrade, and it's a fairly large expense to create a lot of generative videos. But these are moving images, right? If you see here, these are just animated moving pictures, essentially. So cool. All right, I'm not going to keep this video too long, you guys. You can see the potential of this software. If you get an opportunity, click in the link below. You can check out Galaxy.ai for free and discover the tools that could help you grow your... So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, you guys.